Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make an Easyjet claim. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way through so that you don't miss any step. So the first thing you actually want to do is just open up a new tab, and from there you just want to type in Easyjet claims. Once you've done that, you should be able to see this option at the top, and it says compensation claim form. You just want to click on that and we'll be taken to this Easyjet website. So it says here, if your flight has been delayed or cancelled or you're denied booking, you might be entitled for compensation if the cause was Easyjet's responsibility. However, if the disruption was caused by weather, industrial action, air traffic control restrictions, or any other reasons beyond our control, you won't be eligible for compensation. So if you're sure that you are eligible for compensation, you want to just begin filling out this form. So to start with, you want to put your booking reference in here, and then your flight reference in here. And if you're having trouble finding any of those details, you can hover over these little information buttons, and they will tell you exactly what your flight number will start with, and it will assist you in actually finding that number. Next up, you want to put in your date of flight, then the reason for claim. You have 4 options to pick, and then also the departure airport and the arrival airport. Next up, you just want to fill out your contact details. So these are pretty much just your normal details that you put in, your first name, last name, email address, stuff like that. And then after that, you actually want to put in the payment details. So put in the details of your account, and if you are entitled to compensation, they will use these details to reimburse you. So next up, you want to put in the passengers. So you just want to put the first and last name of each passenger, and you can add a new one by clicking that add another passenger button. And then from here, you just want to confirm that you're not a robot and tick both of these boxes. And then once you're done, you can click continue, and the form will actually be sent to Easyjet. And then if they review it and they see that you are eligible for an Easyjet refund, they will actually partially refund you or reimburse you for your claim. So that's how you can make an Easyjet claim. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.